So quickly, I'd like to introduce you to my cooking partner. It's Cooking Extravaganza with Nick and Robot Schmobot from Schmelting-Pot. Okay, this is Robot Schmobot. He's not much of a conversation type. He's a good friend though. Just look at him. He's a good robot. He does what he needs to. Don't worry about him. We cook. Alright, we don't know. We just make it. Okay, let's make that is potato. Potato. We need potato. Very important. Not so important no more. Garlic. Garlic is also very important. The hot sauce is good. Hot sauce. Hot sauce is Sprite. Sprite. We make a Sprite. We add the Sprite is what I meant. Evaporated milk. That is now all over the oven. Fuck. Alright, go with it. No, it's not there. It's not there. Butter. Butter, margarine, butter. Evaporated milk, not on that. Alright, this is, don't know what it is, but we throw it with the mix. In the marinara sauce, honey mustard, icing, all good things. Jelly, we need the jelly. Cream cheese. Cream cheese, very important. Cream cheese. Alright, and last but not least, chocolate syrup. And then we go to part 2. This, don't know, but we add. Okay, then we add the potato. Is nice and ripe from Idaho. We add it. It's also very classy to the Oreo mix. Okay, but the Texas Pete. Then we add some evaporated milk. The garlic lid is what we're going to add. It's the garlic. I don't know what else to tell you about that. We got the sear mist. We add the sear mist. It also gives some flavor. The Hershey's syrup. Good spice for Oreos. No need, but it's good. 500, whatever the max is for the oven. You preheat. Then let this simmer, let this preheat, okay? Ding. Okay, this preheat, the oven preheat, you good? Make sure you turn this off, children. Very dangerous. Take a pot and put straight in oven, like so. You wait 5 minutes. My baby takes the morning train. She works from 9 to 5 and then pencils write on graphite, though they don't. Okay, after about 5 minutes or so, you let the mixture cook and settle, and voila kazam, you have some beautifully cooked, well done Oreos. They're lightly crispy. They're nice. They're very nice. Make sure you don't forget to turn the oven off. Very nice Oreos. They're good and crispy. Robot Schmobot, would you like to taste one of these tasty Oreos for me?